What's up YouTube, Airplane 75 here. Today is January 23rd or 4th, I believe. I can't remember, it's too early in the morning. It's snowing and it's extremely wet snow that I don't know if this camera's picking it up. This is Nikon D5000. It's 34 degrees right now, but it's still snowing. And you can see here, it's already melting everywhere. I don't know if the specific heat of my house is warmer. But I just thought I'd show you this. It's kind of cool how wet this all is. There's my bus I was supposed to be on. Oops. Oh well. It's for you guys.